how to fix there was a problem verifying your email address on Steam. So if you want to fix there was a problem verifying your email address on your Steam, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. On your browser, you need to search for Steam support. Once you're on your Steam support, you need to just go with help.steampower.com. You'll get this kind of interface. You need to add support steampower.com to your contacts. This will help pre-verify your email, or you can also go with your Steam support with this problem. If this doesn't work, then send the given email a help request. They will help you in fixing your problem. It will take you to the support section right here. So you need to enter the username of the account that you were trying to recover, or you need to enter the first email that you used in your account and then provide a mobile number, a phone number, your current email address, where you would like Steam to respond. And here under anything else, you need to enter the problem that you're facing and then go with I'm a human and then send. And after sending, Steam will help you on how you can fix your problem. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.